Really, to be honest with you, I had no intentions of buying this product. It got just garbage out there on the internet. So I got up the next morning and I said, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna go out on faith and just get the product. So I got the product, and the very first module was completely awesome. I've never seen anything like this on the internet since I've been on the internet. Any purchases I made with traffic, it's just phenomenal what Vic has done with this training. It'll completely change your traffic game. You don't need another course on traffic. Trust me on this.
Hey guys, what's up? Vig here from 4%. And I want to talk to you if you are a beginner in this industry. Why is it that it's so difficult for beginners to make it? Why is it so difficult for somebody who just starts out as an internet entrepreneur to make it to success levels? We surveyed thousands of people. 95% of them, almost 96% of them say that they're dissatisfied with the results that they're getting on the internet. I want to tell you exactly why that is. I'm going to tell you how you can fix it if you want to. So if you're somebody who has been struggling, if you have been running into brick wall after brick wall, here is exactly why it's very difficult for beginner to succeed on the internet. Okay? The biggest reason, there's two reasons. Number one, the biggest reason is because nobody wants to teach a beginner how to succeed. Think about it, right? How many gurus do you know out there that blatantly say that, you know what, my business model, we want to coach people that are already successful because it's so much easier to take somebody who is already at the 10K a month level to take them to 50 to 100,000 a month level. You see what I'm saying? You getting this? Right? So nobody wants to show the beginner what it really takes to succeed because it's a difficult job. It's difficult. There's a lot of different, moving parts that's happening. You have to, there's a lot. It's a lot more difficult for you to go from zero if you have never succeeded on the internet. I don't care if it's affiliate marketing, network marketing, if you're building your business, if you're building your network marketing company, if you're building your team, if you want to promote somebody else's product as an affiliate, right? It's like 100 times more difficult for you to go from zero to your first 10,000 a month in income.
Hey, my friend Dan Ryder here, talking to you from Raleigh, North Carolina. And listen, I'm a pharmacist turned online entrepreneur and marketer, right? And I joined the 4% community because I wanted to be able to access the best of the best in the business world, right? I'm talking about people who are absolutely the most powerful and the most influential in their industries, right? People who dominate their marketplace. They are market leaders. To me personally, joining as a pro level and better yet a lifetime member, it's like being a VIP member. You get the early access to all the latest and greatest updates. You get access to special content that not other members get to, get the privilege to enjoy. Why pay for membership dues when you have the opportunity to invest and, plant your flag, so to speak, and hands down the best business and entrepreneurship community you can find.
In revenue, in commissions, in earnings, okay, than it is for somebody to go from 10,000 to 100,000. You see what I'm saying? That is why no guru out there, to my knowledge, really has what it takes to teach the beginner to break through from that zero to that first 5K or 10K or 15K a month level. See what I'm saying? Because nobody wants to do that because it's a difficult task. It's difficult. Okay. Reason number two most beginners are not successful is because they're looking for the easiest, shortest. They're looking for this push button solution that doesn't exist, and they're messing themselves up in their mind, right? So I want to give you a solution. Okay. What's the thing number three I wanted to talk to you about? If you are somebody who is truly sick and tired, okay, to where you are, where you at with your results. Let me make sure I get it right? And you've just been running into brick wall after brick wall. Maybe you're looking for that breakthrough of yours, and you're like, dude, I'm just ready. You know what I mean? Like I'm ready to draw the line in the sand, and I'm teachable. That's the number one thing you got to be. Is you got to be hungry and / teachable, right? If you're teachable, if you're hungry, the teacher appears when the student is ready.
It's 10 below, and I'm so fired up that I can stand out here and tell you that the challenge works. It's what happens between your ears. That's really what makes a big difference. Taking positive action, having a positive outlook, and working the system. I mean, I'm already, it's in day 14, stage 14, and I've already added 92 people to my list. I've had 4 sales. I've never had that before. I can see myself finally achieving what my goal is. And I have to thank Vic for that and the 4%. So if it works up here, it can work anywhere.
You know what I mean? If you are ready for your success, we did something that has never, in the history of this industry, as far as I know, been done before. We have created a project. It's called the 4% Challenge, and it's designed to do exactly that. Help somebody who is a complete beginner to break through. Now, how do you do that when there are so many moving parts to making that happen, right? Well, what we've done is we have completely stripped out all the overwhelm, information overload, without loading you or overloading you with information and getting you confused. We have laid out a simple path that teaches you and shows you exactly what to do every single day. Like, imagine being able to, imagine it's like a GPS. You want to go from point A to point B, right? And you click on GPS. You're like, my destination is, hey, I want to get to the first $10,000, right? And you click the go button, and GPS tells you, okay, start now, go here at this intersection, turn left, go on this intersection, turn right, and it literally shows you what to do. Now, our system that we have developed is a training technology that has never been done before, as far as I know, and it shows beginners how to go from zero to your first breakthrough, whatever that is for you. If it's 10,000 a month, if it's 5,000 a month, 50,000 a month, right? So that's level one.
I've been in internet marketing now for well over a decade, and over that time I've spent tens of thousands of pounds on different courses. I've learned a bit about this and a bit about that, but I've never really had a complete system to follow, and couldn't really get far with any of the other courses on an individual basis. And what we found within the 4% Challenge is that absolutely everything is there from beginning to end. There's daily activities, step-by-step action steps for anyone to follow, whether you're a beginner or advanced. And we've found this to be the most complete thing that we've ever seen, hands down. And we've decided to put everything that we know aside and just follow everything that Vic says to the letter without question.
We've already generated, and we're only on day 14 of the challenge so far, we've already generated a lot more contacts in our list. We've generated sales, we've generated commissions. This is just in the last few days by using the techniques within the challenge, by using the traffic, the internet traffic mastery system, the 24-hour traffic media. Just applying these, we're actually making money already. It will give you your best chance at succeeding online without a shadow of doubt, no matter what industry you're in, what you're trying to promote, whether you've got your own products, whether you're promoting other people's products. This system will show you exactly, step by step, how to do it and how to do it properly.
Yes.
We're so pumped, we're really excited.
Yes, we are.
We'd like to take a moment to thank Vic, his team and our 4% family, and we can't wait to move on with the challenge.
Yeah.
Have a great day, we'll see you soon. Take care.
It shows you how to do that. It's literally impossible for you to fail. The only reason that you fail is if you simply don't follow instructions. That's it. You see what I'm saying? Now, if you're somebody who is already at that 10K level and you want to go to 10X that, to go to 100,000, that system shows you exactly, right? Paint by numbers. Here's what you do today, tomorrow. Here's how you expand. Here's how you elevate. Here's how you, escalate and kind of, build your business model. Here is what to promote. If you have nothing to promote, if you don't know nothing about marketing, but you're hungry for success, 4% Challenge will be the answer to your prayers. Check it out. I think you'll really, really like it. Also, I would really appreciate if you could help us spread the word about it. If you have somebody that might benefit from this message, if you know somebody that is struggling out there, please hit that like and share button and comment below. Let me know what you think. We have hundreds of success stories coming in every single week from people that have been struggling to now they're crushing it on the internet and just absolutely transforming their lives. And I would love for you to be our next greatest success story. We're on a mission to creating success stories. Click the link somewhere above or below this video somewhere and check out the 4% Challenge. You will be glad you did. I guarantee it.